Hi guys, okay, I'm going to do a book review of the Sophie's Universe Crochet Along. Now, I know you guys are, those of you who are familiar with my videos know that I am not a crocheter. Our fiber guild, which it was a knitting guild and we recently changed to a full fiber guild, so we do crocheting, needle knitting, tatting, spinning, weaving, loom knitting, name it that's fiber related, and we do it. So right now we are all doing, a bunch of us are doing this project. I did purchase the book, and this, I gotta tell you, is probably one of the best written fiber books that I have seen. This is my project so far, and this is for somebody who has really never crocheted. Now I am using a self-striping yarn instead of what they do in here, but I'm going to kind of go over and show you some of the really cool features of this book. It is fantastic for beginners who do not know how to crochet, and there are full videos for every single section that are fantastic that you can follow right along with the book. Now, alright, I will put individual video links in the description below, but I just want to show you some really cool things. It goes over your contents and actually has the contents broke down by stitches, instructions, because it is, how many? 113 rounds, because you start in the middle and you work out. It's 113 rounds altogether. It goes by different parts. I am on part 4 at row zigzag hills. So row 33, I believe, is where I'm at, which would be row, I don't know what this means. Oh, page 71. Duh. Okay, so now that's awesome. It has a really neat introduction. Here's a good picture of the blanket. Now mine, I'm using a worsted weight yarn. So mine's going to end up being about 7 foot by 7 foot, I believe. And it goes over materials. In the book, it shows 3 different styles, 3 different collar patterns that you can do. And it tells you 4-ply, double knit, like, okay, number 2, number 3, number 4 yarn. And it'll tell you the size of each. And it has your abbreviations, and then it goes over, these are really cool. You can buy the official kits. I'll hold this up. And then you can get the little leather things. So if you do it with the actual collars and everything, you can have that on it saying that's an official Sophie's Universe. Of course, and it goes over the stitches, which each stitch, it shows pictures how to do them and video and written directions, and the pictures are not black and white, they are full collared. Here is another close-up of the blanket. I am at this square right here, so I still have a lot to do. But then it goes into special stitches, introduction. And of course it goes over each part, and it shows you at the beginning what each part will look like in the different color options. And then it goes over each step. And then you've got, oh, I skipped part 2. Oh, I was already there. So each section, it's slowly getting bigger, and she has it, I want to say her name's Deidre. She did just a fantastic job on this book. Anybody who wants to learn how to crochet, this is just an amazing book. It's great for anybody who even, here's where I'm at. So I'm on row 33, which I'm doing these little zigzaggy things here. You can see them up here, my zigzags. I'm only halfway around that row, so I haven't got them down here yet. But even for people who do crochet, if you look through and you want to learn how to do a specific technique, it will go over it with you. And of course you have all these stitches and everything to go back to. And there's something I wanted to show you here. There's a place for notes. And here at the end, some pictures of different colorways of this blanket that people have made. Okay. Now here in the back, it has some really neat information, if I can get to it, the beginning of the end. Here we go. So you can write out your colors that you use for every single row. You can even get in more detail with the shade number and the lot and everything. And time to complete project, cost of wool, price to charge customer if required. And then you have pages for notes. So yes, fantastic book. I have learned so much stuff. All I could do was like a crochet chain. Right now, my only complaint, it's not with the pattern at all. It's with my yarn. My purple right here it switched to my green, so I wish the purple would have went a little bit longer, so each of those would have been purple. But it's really, really neat. I'll show you close up some of the stuff. I've got the flower in the middle. I've got little baubles, and these are kind of like big flower petals. I've got this going here. I got my zigzags, which that's right where I'm at. And there's parts of it where you work into the back. There's parts of it. It's really, really cool. It's not near as hard as I expected it to be because I was extremely intimidated by this project. So it's really, really awesome. I'm really enjoying this. And our Fiber Guild is doing this as a 40-week project, and we gather every other Sunday at one of the guild members' house and we work on the next section together. I believe most guilds did this as a 20-week project, but we didn't want to rush anybody. But yes, awesome book. I want to say I ordered the book overseas. I want to say I paid like 20 bucks for it. And this really is a great book because there's little special notes with everything, and there's just these cool witty little comments that Deidre made throughout it, telling her story and her kids and stuff like that. Really guys, that's all I have for this. I will have some different links down in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was informative. And never be too intimidated to try something new, because I was very intimidated by this and I'm having a lot of fun with this project. So never ever limit yourself and think your abilities are at this level when your full potential is up here. Alright. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Make sure you turn on that notification setting so that when I do put out new videos, you will receive an email letting you know I put out a new video and what the video is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget all that stuff I just said, and have a nice day.